Happy holidays, everyone. For today's painting, we ended up using just a 12-inch diameter wood circle, some acrylic paints, and Floetrol. We used just a Dutch pour method with a metal straw to blow it around. We put white for the background and then a light green for the wreath. Looking back, kind of wish we would have used a darker green, kind of make it pop a little bit more. But all in all, it turned out really, really well. We finished it off with 3 little berries, or holly berries, and it looks really good. Anyways, the project itself is very, very easy, and if you guys wanted to do it for the holidays with your family, it's absolutely possible. But for the time being, sit back, relax, and enjoy the art. See ya. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your holiday, and we'll see you all again soon. See ya!